I saw him poop more that day than he had in like a week total. It was hilarious.
Hey everyone, Dr. Frank here with another episode of Frank About Health. I want to share today with you our recent trip to Myrtle Beach. The last few years we've been going to Myrtle Beach with my family and we've been renting a house there. It's been a great experience hanging out with everybody. We get everybody in the same house, so we're able to hang out all week together. And I'll bring you some of the pics and videos that we took on the trip. And then also talk a little bit about grounding. And if you don't know what grounding is, stick around because you want to hear about this. Also, I want to share with you some of the patients I've been working with lately. Actually, two little boys, both little babies. Atlas and Tristan are their names. And we've been working on them to help with acid reflux and some constipation issues they've been having. So, had some great results with them. So I want to share that with you here. First up is Myrtle Beach. It's going to be a fun episode, so check it out. Take off. Hey. So we're at our annual trip to Myrtle Beach with the family. We've done this 3 years in a row. We get the whole family together and get a big house right on the beach. So I'll show you guys what I'm seeing here. It's beautiful down here, beautiful day. Can't wait to have a great time here this week. I'll keep you posted on what we're doing. So in the last episode, I talked a little bit about keeping healthy and really doing things preventative for your health and how important it is to just stay healthy rather than try to restore your health once it's lost. One of the things you can do is called grounding. So I try to go every year a couple weeks to the beach and do grounding. So basically you just walk barefoot on the sand at the beach and it's beautiful, it's very relaxing, but your body actually has a frequency that needs to be reset because most of the time we're wearing shoes or socks or on concrete or street and we're never actually touching the earth. The earth actually has a frequency and your body does as well. And if it's not at the right frequency, you're more likely to get sick, your immune system won't be as strong. So those are the kind of things that I see that happens when you don't have proper frequency and you're more likely just not to be as healthy. So a great way to do that is just walk around the beach. So every year we try to go once or twice to the beach. And I try to spend a few hours a day on the beach, taking my feet in the sand and just walking around. And it's really very relaxing, but it's also really good about restoring your health. On my posture, my podcast called Sporting Good Posture, I've done a couple of segments on this and I go into greater detail on that. So check that out if you haven't already. It's called Sporting Good Posture. It's on iTunes, Spotify, iHeartRadio, Google Play, and all the main places that you find podcasts. Subscribe to that and you can get a little deeper into how important grounding is and some other ways you can do that. But one of the best ways to do it is go to the beach, get your feet in the sand, and reset your body's frequency. It really help your health, help you relax, help you de-stress, and definitely help you feel better. Hold on. Well, that was a blast. Hope you enjoyed seeing some of the highlights from our vacation. It's just nice to unwind. And like I said before, as humans, we have to unplug to unwind. We're not like cell phones. We got to take a break from our everyday routines. So now we're going to head over to the office and I'll introduce you to Tristan and Atlas and show you some of the things that we've been doing with them. So check it out. So we've been checking, so usually he has his Atlas out, so that's what we've been working on. And I just put a little pressure on here to get that adjusted. And then kind of just sustain it. Being squirmy today? Are you being squirmy? How's he doing, like, with bowel movements and stuff? Has it been okay?
The last one was...
Yesterday, he had a good bowel movement yesterday.
Yeah. So it's getting a little more regular?
After seeing you.
Yeah, after seeing you, definitely.
That's good. So, yeah, with him too, like I've noticed when I've been talking to you, you said like the daycare's been saying that there's been more regular movements, and they noticed that there's been a difference on there.
He's a lot more active and he's doing really well with tummy time.
That's great. And you said he's not really straining like he was to go, which is really good too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll keep working on it, and I know it's going to continue to get better for him.
We let them have some gas drops just in case he needed it, but they gave it back saying he doesn't need it at all.
Good. So working on down here, I think, is helping mobilize that, because these are the nerves that help with the intestines and everything. So that'll help.
Good job, buddy.
You're doing good. Do you want to hold it for a second and then I'll work this back a little bit? There we go. All right, buddy, you're all done. Good job. Good job, buddy.
Yeah, you want to go hang out with Dr. Frank?
So we're gonna work on his Atlas. We're gonna work on Atlas's Atlas, and yeah, he's got, so on his right side, I'm feeling that his Atlas is a little out of place here, and I just put some light pressure on there to help put that back into place. You're doing good, buddy. You're strong, huh? Is he walking yet?
No, he's pulling himself up on like his knees though.
Yeah.
He's getting there though. Yeah, good job.
And then I'm gonna actually put him on his tummy.
All right.
So have you go like this.
There you go. Say, I'll try to crawl away.
Yeah, I could. Yeah, he's good at that. So I always check the hips and everything to make sure that things are in the right position. So. This also helps if, like, I've had some kids come in recently that were constipated, and I've worked on their low back, and then they become regular again, which is good.
That's awesome.
Because one of the kids was really straining to go to the bathroom, and it was like sad for the parents to see that.
Yeah.
And then I look kind of in the mid back too, to see. And then this is good to help with if kids get acid reflux or anything like that.
He gets acid reflux like crazy.
He does? Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll work on this mid back because those are the nerves that control the stomach and the esophagus and everything.
Okay.
And then if you work on that a lot of times, acid reflux gets better too.
What's he doing? Huh? Yeah.
Looks like his hips are moving pretty good too. All right, buddy.
What do you say?
You did a really good job.
Thank you, Dr. Frey.
This is an activator.
He's like, I got it.
Hey, so I'm here with Anastasia, and she had brought her son Atlas in about a week ago, and we were just talking about after his adjustment. So just tell me again what you were saying about his adjustment.
So the day he got adjusted, probably maybe an hour or so after, he started pooping nonstop. He pooped all day. I saw him poop more that day than he had in a week total. It was hilarious but great at the same time. Now he's regular. It's really nice.
That is awesome. What a great follow-up. That's so cool because I've had that happen before. I haven't always recorded it, but now we know that really does help. So if your kid is having problems going to the bathroom, the adjustments do help for adults too, but definitely for babies. So thanks for doing that, and I look forward to seeing them again soon.
Yeah, most definitely.
All right. That's a wrap on our latest episode of Frank About Health. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button below. I hope you're enjoying this content as much as I love making it for you. Like this post, comment on it, let me know about your favorite vacation that you took, or if you've seen a chiropractor before, I'd love to hear some of your experiences with both of those things. And I look forward to future episodes with you, and I'll catch you on the flip side.